Hello, thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. Today I will be working with UNice Hair. I have 3 bundles of their 1B straight hair. All 3 bundles is 12 inches. I wanted to just do a natural look, something shoulder length. I didn't want to really do long hair this time, so I bleached the hair and I also rinsed it. This really cute red. I really love it. It's the fall/winter, I guess, and I just wanted to bring a warm color to you guys, showing you that you can always play with different types of color. So here we go. Alright, as you guys can see, I actually made this into a wig. I wanted something that I could, reuse if I wanted to, just wash it and reuse it. So I actually sewed this on a thick dome cap, and as you can see, there's the closure to make it actually look natural as possible. So I'm going to throw this wig back on. I'm actually going to brush it out. I'm going to flat iron it. I'm going to trim the ends, and then we're going to give it a really cute wavy look. So I'm going to let you guys see it straight, and then I'm going to actually go on and curl it, and you guys let me know what you think. Threw the wig on just to see what it would look like. So if you guys see the lace part in the front, that's because I kind of folded it under so the lace wouldn't be hanging off. So just disregard that. Besides that, I took the wig off and now we're going to curl it. So I curled one side, and I'm actually going to show you how I accomplished those curls. What I did use was a 1-inch wand curls. So if some of you guys didn't know, these are wand curls. So I'm actually going to show you how I got this look on this left side, and I'm going to show you how to complete the full curl pattern on the right side. So as you can see, I have my wand curls. They go up to about, I want to say, 400 degrees. It don't really say, it's just like a little clicker button to turn it on and off. But most of the wand curls normally comes in like 1 inch, 1.5 inches, or however. And these are the 1 inches. I really like these because they actually give you more of a tighter curl. I don't want really nothing too tight, but the more that you do it and you put holding spray, the tighter the curl get, and also it holds once you doesn't brush it out. So continue on with this method until you have completed the whole head. What holds the curl a little tighter is if you was to spray a little bit of holding spray and hold the curl about 40 to 60 seconds. The longer you hold it, the tighter it will become. The less you hold it, it won't really have a full wave pattern. So just keep that in mind. Yes, she is finished. So I'm just gonna get a wide tooth comb. I'm just gonna brush them out, comb them out a little bit, kind of mold them, play with it a little bit. I didn't really want the big poofy look. Most people, after the wand curls are a little bit older, they tend to just brush it out, and it'll still give you that really cute ocean wave curl. But I wasn't really going for that look today. I just wanted like a little cute little wave. Now, as you guys can see, I don't know what's going on with this lighting. But the closer I get to the screen, you can't see my lace. And then it's like the farther I am away from the screen, the lace is showing. So I don't want you guys to be like, oh, her lace. No, the lace itself is actually really, really good. I think it's my lighting, so just try to disregard that. Okay, so I'm going to actually cut a little bit of baby hairs. I did not actually sew or glue this wig down, so I mean it's easy to just take off and just put back on, but I wanted to show you guys how to just jazz it up a little bit, add a little flair, a little spice to it. So here you go. This left side I did a couple hours before I shot this video, so the curls looked kind of like so you know, I mean, you can always just go back, just play with the curls a little bit. If you want more of a wave pattern, just recurl it, brush it out, or however you want to. This is the look that I'm going for. So I really like this color on me. You can kind of see the two-tone color of the brown and also the instant red. I didn't want to go with nothing too reddish, so the little blonde piece, the little brown pieces that's in it fits just perfect. Thank you guys for tuning in to my tutorial. I really hope that this helped you guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you guys. I also make wigs. If you guys are interested, please check my description box for information. Thank you.